So I was in the living room when the baby took a nap today, and I kept hearing sounds in my kitchen. And I was like, oh my God, there's like a rat or something in the wall. Like something's making noises. And I was legit freaking out. Like, I was like, oh my God, what is that noise? I even recorded it. Like, it sounded like a ball was being pushed against the wall. And I'm like, oh my God, did the baby's toy get back there? And like somehow a rodent got it. And somehow there's a rodent back there playing with a toy. Like all these scenarios were in my head. My landlord stopped by like 30 minutes later, and I was like, oh my God, there's something in the wall. Like, I'm freaking out. Can you check it? Because he had stopped by to look at something that was broken. And he goes, oh, I was next door fixing their plumbing. That was me. I showed him the recording of the noise, you guys. Like, he was like, oh, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry I scared you.